Okay, something I stumbled onto the other day checking out things in Tyler. The question we had at the beginning of the year was, can we copy assignments from previous years? And I know whenever I checked into it, the answer was no at the time, but I've dug in further since and found out there is a way. So let's take a look at this and see how we can do this. So what you have to do is get into a certain class's gradebook. So I'm just going to get into Principles of Tech 1, and I'm just going to go to Gradebook. And so I've got all of my assignments here that I've put in manually right now. What I want to do is I want to come up here to Actions, and I do the drop down. I'm going to come in here to Manage Assignments, do the little fly out menu, and I'm going to come down here to Copy Assignments. I click on Copy Assignments, and several of you may have used this before. Well, we've got a note up here. We've got a year that we can choose from right up here at the top. This has been the missing piece that I know I've overlooked, had never seen this. So 14-15, I'm just going to switch this back to 13-14 from last year. And then I'm going to choose the course. So I'm going to look at Principles of Tech 1 from first semester last year. And it brings in my different assignments that I have. Okay. So let me just choose a couple of assignments. So in a couple of weeks I've got some electrical work assignments coming up, so let me find that. So we've got some homework here, I'm sure. Let's use this. I'm going to click on this homework. Let's find a lab, electrical work amperage lab, and let's do the quiz. So that is how they section them out. They go by the category type. So we've got the electrical work quiz. So after I choose each of those, then on the right hand side here I can choose which class I want to copy those to. So be careful with this because it does list both semesters. So this can be kind of difficult if you've got multiple semester classes. I know I did this the other day and on accident I clicked on second semester rather than first semester. Okay, so this is Principles of Tech semester 1. I'm going to click that one. And looks good. I'm going to start the copy process. Assignments copied successfully, so that's what I want to see. I click done, and let's double check it here. Okay, so now I have electrical work. I've got the electrical work amperage lab. I've got the quiz in here. I've got the math skills. Now here's the thing that I definitely would tell everybody. Make sure you double check your dates because the date that you did it on this year may be different than what the date was next year. I can guarantee you that we're going to get to this sooner than what we did last year at that time because I'm going to have to adjust those. So if I want to adjust those, I just click on a cell. I go to edit my properties for the assignment, and I can change whatever I need to change. If I need to change the point value, the due dates, when that's going to show in here. If I want to put more information in here for the homework side, this does automatically copy this to the homework side as long as you had that checked from before. You can also add attachments down here at the bottom. So that is something if you need to add a new worksheet, if you've got something that's new to that, you can do that. Okay, hopefully this helps. Thanks.